Hi everyone, would you like a new hobby? We've been looking at developments in self-driving cars over the last few years, and many of us wish, it could be a lot further. For some reason, the advancements now are quite slow. So I've been thinking, how about if I try myself to do something in a simulator? And hear me out. Of course, there is a step to go from simulator to the reality. However, there is a lot of things you can do in a simulator. This particular one comes with like generating traffic, what you see in front of you right now, and then you can start cars and you can control cars from Python. Yes, you do need a bit of programming skills in Python, but there is a lot of things to get you started already. There is a lot of code available that you can just tweak and start. All right, so um, in a simulator, my key idea is you can cheat. You not putting anyone in danger. You using telemetry from the simulator rather than guessing in real life where the car is. You can know exactly where the traffic signs are, where the traffic lights are, speed limits, where you are in the lanes, where the lanes are, where the other objects, and this is how you can train your ideas and elements of self-driving and test them very quickly and have fun along the way. So I've been thinking, why don't I just put some videos and try a few things and show you how it could be done? And maybe I will make some of you interested in giving this a go. And yes, it's a long leap. And yes, some of you do not know Python, but hey, it's good fun. Many things you can do in a simulator, just you just wouldn't expect it in real life. Like, for example, you can start playing with various traffic conditions. You can put less or more traffic. You can make other cars drive less or more aggressive. You can swap between different towns. Like this particular simulator has about 10 different small areas. Like this is not very large. If you go around, it's just a limited number of streets, but it allows you flexibility to do many things. One of those flexibilities is playing with weather conditions and time of day. Look how quickly the light is going and it's becoming dark, and then you can have fog and you can have rain and you can have night, and you can mix and match those conditions in all different little towns that this particular simulator allows you to do. You can also do things like this and cause some accidents if you really want to. And you could also train like a vision model. This is me trying to use the front-facing camera of the car to predict the angle in the lane. And on the left, you can see the actual image from that camera, and you can see predicted angle in the lane where straight is 0 is displayed in front of you. So this was my very crude first attempt to build a computer vision type model. And as you can see, it's not very great. It can change, it can misinterpret these shadows from lamppost, and look, it's not trained on the intersections, but when it sees solid lines of the lane markings, it's reasonably stable. I wouldn't want to be a passenger in this car. However, as a first attempt in solving this problem, it's very cool. So I've enjoyed it, and I will be doing a series of videos of maybe some basic stuff to get you started, to more complex things like how to see where you can drive in front of you, what's the drivable area in front of you, that kind of stuff, and predicting that. Or how do you make the car see that there is an indicator in another car flashing and stuff like that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos very shortly. Thank you. Bye.